You can do your eyebrows at home with just a few things. One of the things that you'll need is some thread. This is cotton thread. It says cotton on the little wheel part, but this camera is not the best at getting it clear. But anyways, it is cotton thread, and you can get this from Walmart. Any store that sells thread, they should have the cotton material thread. Next, you'll need a spoolie. This is what you use to brush your eyebrows up. It's like an eyebrow brush, but you could also use a toothbrush or whatever your choice of eyebrow tools are. And the next thing that you'll need are these little eyebrow scissors. So these are the ones that help you cut the little flyaways off of your eyebrows. And you can get that from the drugstore or anywhere that they sell beauty tools. Okay, and then lastly, you'll need some big scissors because we're gonna murder someone after we do our eyebrows. So you'll need big scissors to cut the thread, or you can use the little scissors that we're gonna use on our eyebrows. So you're going to take your thread and you're gonna do a piece of thread that goes across the length of your entire arm. So you'll take that piece and then you're gonna cut it with your scissors. So that's basically how long you need to cut your thread. Next, we are going to take the ends of our thread and we're going to tie them into, you can do 2 knots, 3 knots, 4 knots, whatever feels secure for you. I'm going to do a few knots myself just to keep this knot very secure. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, so now you basically have just this circle piece of thread. I hold my hand, I usually kind of hold my hand tight on this knot. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I do. So when I'm holding it, I'll kind of use my middle finger to hold the knot down inside my hand. Because you'll see when you start threading, it's gonna try to pull the knot away, and then if the knot starts getting pulled, it's gonna open the thread loose. So anyways, I'll hold my middle finger, use that to hold the knot down in this hand, and then I'll just twist with my left hand to get a really thick, multiple knots in the middle. You'll be using your pointer finger and your thumb, and that'll be opening and closing the thread. So just practice that with both hands. That's kind of how you'll be doing it. So before you start threading, you're gonna take your spoolie and brush your eyebrow hair in the direction to which it feels and makes a pretty shape. Then you're gonna take your thread, and if your eyebrow hairs are pointing this way, you want to attempt to go against the grain to get a cleaner cut. I know that threading your own hair is a lot harder than it looks, but some quick tips for a better technique is to maneuver your hands out of your face as much as you can so you can lay the thread flat on the skin. You can see that I'm trying to lay it as flat on the skin as possible. This is going to help me pick up a lot more hair and even get the smaller hairs. Also be mindful of where you're opening and closing your thread at, so you only thread the hairs in the direction that you want to for your shape. Okay, I'm at the finished product. So these are my eyebrows done. I don't really remember what they look like when they weren't done. I think really this just helps clean this part so you have like a prettier noticeable shape. The most important thing really is to just clean inside of your arch, because when it's clean, it looks more noticeable and your eyebrows just look like bam. If I could put on makeup and go somewhere and look cute, I really would right now, but it looks like I can't do that. So I'm just gonna walk around with my eyebrows on fleek. You know, the walls are going to be pleased at my eyebrows. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.